This question asks us to calculate the specific rotation for this molecule given these parameters. Our equation for specific rotation is to take the observed rotation and divide it by the path length and the concentration. For a pure sample, the concentration will be the same as the density. Let's plug in some numbers for this calculation then. Our temperature is 20 degrees, and we're using the sodium D line. These are the standard conditions for optical rotation. Our observed rotation is positive 46.6 degrees. And our path length is 10 centimeters. That's 1 decimeter. And our concentration, this is a pure liquid, so its concentration will be the same as the density, which is 1.12 grams per milliliter. If we go through and do this calculation then, our specific rotation for this molecule will be positive 41.6 degrees.